does have a skid plate all the way through, right?
Yeah, from the factory it's a full skid plate. So
the worst that could possibly happen is as soon as we go off, you nosedive and it hits that skid plate and scratches up, but then your back tire should kick it off.
yeah,
You just hit. That's the worst that could happen. You not gain speed, you just slip and four-wheel.
Can-Am is, I think it's 11 or 12 feet. So we got 4 feet to four-wheel drive launch it off the bed.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, we need that protection because today we're going to be launching my 2018 Can-Am X3 RX Turbo R off my 1965 Dodge D500's flatbed. So behind us right here we have the flatbed. It's 16 feet long. So what Mike's going to do right now is take off 2 bolts off the toolbox so we can have an extra 2 feet to launch off of. Not sure how this is gonna go. You guys heard Paradox behind the camera before this. He was saying the front tires may come off, and if I don't have enough speed, the bottom of my Can-Am is gonna hit the end of the bed before my back tires get there. So I'm hoping with that extra 2 feet with the toolbox out of the way, we're gonna have to cut this triangle off. But with that extra 2 feet in four-wheel drive, I'm hoping that I'll be able to, pick up some speed and launch the Can-Am off of this thing.
We got safety protection.
Yeah, we got a helmet. And
he's got a cage. He's got a helmet, cage, seat belt. All you're missing is gloves.
We got a 3-point harness.
You could throw some gloves on if you wanted to.
That would be fun, I tell you.
Oh, Mike here, he got a little C10, 1966 C10.
Yeah.
We'll make sure to put his link somewhere on either the screen or the description down below.
So the plan is to take this truck and drive it on the dirt road and try to find a dirt berm or something that I can back this truck up. We're gonna grab the ramps for my trailer and we're gonna try to back it up. If we need ramps, we'll put the ramps on the dirt and on the trailer and load up that way. If we're able to back the truck straight up into a berm and there's no gap and it's easy to get the Can-Am on there, we'll do it that way. So we're gonna go ahead and get this truck ready to go, get the Can-Am ready to go. We just loaded it up with some fuel and we're gonna go head out onto the dirt road here soon. Stay tuned. Gotta flip them gears too.
What's a clutch?
Yeah, what's a clutch? I've never heard of one. Gotta pump them brakes for them to work.
Blew the doors off him.
Real bad bump right here. I don't want to get stuck in that ditch though. That's the only thing. My back tires go right in that ditch.
What about this side? Because your back tire, your back tire is going to get in the ditch either way. But
the only thing that's the trouble is
how long you
how wide this road is. I can't get my vehicle, or I can't get this truck completely straight and have enough room to pull out. But this would be ideal. The bed should go right up into that dirt. It's just trying to get turned around is the only problem. And not get stuck. I don't want to get stuck in this thing. I mean, it won't be that big of a deal, but how those ditches look over there? Think we'll be able to turn this truck around and get it straight or no?
We'd be blocking that road, so if somebody came around that corner, we'd be blocking.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking about.
I would say try to do it right here, but
They'll do it right here really quick.
I don't know. I don't think so.
If we had that
Ramp. Well,
we had the foot with us.
we forgot the ramps too.
Yeah, if we had the foot with us, we'd be good.
We got that T25.
So what we're gonna do is, I was in the truck obviously. They were telling me I probably had 1.5 foot of gap between the bed and the grass. So what we're gonna do, take the T25 and take 2 boards off the back rack and use those as ramps, because I forgot the ramps I said I was gonna bring. So
Ooh,
call me Bob the Builder. Whoa!
keep going.
How much I got?
Keep going. 3 feet.
Easy. Easy for old Frank. Didn't even dig at all. Look at that. Frank's got that torque locker, huh?
Oh yeah.
The paint on those about match. Looks like it was meant to be.
The burnt orange and the burnt orange.
Dude, this is gonna,
It almost matches.
this is gonna be sketchy, dude.
It's gonna be really sketchy.
Dude, I don't know if this is gonna be able to launch off of there. This is longer than I thought. Well, I got 4 feet. Nah, probably about 4.5 feet to get some speed. And I guarantee on this wood, even in 4-wheel drive, I'm gonna be
Spinning the whole way.
what factory says the 0 to 60 is like 4 point something seconds, 0 to 60. So this thing is pretty fast. But I guess let's go back on the dirt road and try to launch this Can-Am off of here. My knob, bro.
That's my knob now. I'm gonna put you in 2-speed reverse all the whole time. Man, which one go reverse?
You gotta work it.
You're gonna hit me in my nuts, man. No, I'm saying the Can-Am's in park, it ain't gonna roll. As long as you ain't going
50.
crazy fast.
Doing stuff
Oh
like
my
that.
God.
Doing stuff like that. That's a quick way to unload this thing.
Oh my God, I'm close to that.
Easy.
It's the road, bro. I can't do nothing about it. Caleb's fault for putting this shit on sideways.
It ain't sideways. I have no mirrors on that thing, man. I couldn't see shit.
Man, dude, I'm not looking forward to this, man.
You got sweet tea? Or is that moonshine? That ain't no shine.
That's some sweet tea, dude.
Yeah, you got
That
shine.
Walmart brand sweet tea.
You got shine in it though, dude.
I didn't bring any liquid courage today.
That Kentucky shine.
So I don't know if you guys saw it on the clips before, but let me tell you what, this is gonna be sketch, man. And we got a good 4-foot drop.
Just send it. Just send it.
That's what I'm saying.
And just
Think
send
you'll be
that
all right.
off of there.
I think you'll be alright.
Just stop worrying about it.
Get in. The more I look at it, the more I think you'll be alright.
You think so?
Well, it's not. I mean, worst that can happen.
Skid plate.
You hit your skid plate right there. That would suck. And then we'd be like, oh mother effer, we hit our skid plate, or you hit your skid plate.
Yeah.
That's about the extent of it. Best thing that could happen is you just completely clear it.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, regardless of what happens, the front tires are hitting the ground first anyways.
No sense in being scared and waiting and see what's gonna happen. We can say what's gonna happen or think what's gonna happen. We won't know until we do it. So
Exactly.
let's just go ahead, grab that toolbox off, and try to launch this thing off of there.
All right, Johnny boy.
Gotta get all these cameras rolling. This is sketchy. I'm probably only gonna do this once unless it goes good.
Well,
I
let's
need to
see.
lock this baby in 4-wheel drive.
Oh yeah.
And
It
then
was in 4 a minute ago. I don't know if it's still in 4. I had it in 4 when I backed it up.
Unfortunately, you can't power brake these things without a tune. It'll start defueling when you're holding the brake and the gas at the same time. So, I guess we're just gonna go for it.
Alright.
I have a feeling that the skid plate's gonna hit, but
I do too.
I can't even Oh man.
Dude, that looked
wasn't
good.
bad at
Is
all.
that soft?
Truck.
Truck's rolling. Holy crap. Truck said bye-bye. Didn't I say, make sure we chalk the wheels? I literally said that and we forgot to do it. Dude, that was badass. That
Dude,
looked
that
good.
wasn't bad at all. I couldn't see where it dropped off at,
It looked good,
but
man.
I just power braked a little bit, and it launched pretty good on the I stopped that.
You black streaked the entire bed. So.
Oh, I did?
Oh yeah, he did. Looks good. Give us some character. Sustain some character.
I was sick.
It looked really good. It looked soft too. When you hit, it looked really soft.
Well, that suspension is the best suspension for these Can-Ams. That's why I went with it, because I want a good suspension. It's got the podium shocks.
Oh yeah. It looked really good.
The bypass, so.
Looks soft.
Man.
So did you build up like 1 pound or something? And
I don't have a boost gauge, so I don't even know what I built so. But I guess we're probably only going to do this once because we don't want to go back down to the church again and have to do this all over again. So I got a camera angle right here. I got a camera angle with me inside the Can-Am. We got this camera angle. We got Caleb's camera angle. Did you get a camera angle too?
Yeah, I got a
Dude, we got like 6 different camera angles. So hopefully that shot turned out pretty good. If you guys want to see me do more dumb stuff with this truck or the Can-Am or whatever, leave your comments down below or your ideas down below. But thank you guys for watching. Mike's info will be in the description below, as well as Paradox. Their links are always down below. Not his, because you want me to put your YouTube channel?
Yeah, you can link her in there.
We'll link his YouTube
C10.
channel.
66 C10. Thing's nasty.
Yeah, he'll start making a couple videos on that, I think. But Paradox's channel is always linked down below, so go check him out. He just got his new motor in for his 1951, and it is bad ass. So definitely go check that video out. If you don't check out any other video, definitely check that one out. Also, if you guys want to see all the videos I made on this 1965 Dodge D500, I got a playlist link down below, and also at the end of this video there will be a playlist on the screen where you can watch every single video. I think I have like 27 or whatever. But yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Dippin' Diesel out.